Good morning, children. Today we are starting with chapter number 9, Forest and Wild Resources, page number 67 of your textbook. In this section, we will be discussing about the different classification of forest, deforestation and its impacts, remedies for forest conservation. This we have studied in standard 9, chapter 17 and 18. Again we are refreshing it and we are adding some more points. Our first topic is forest. What do you mean by a forest? Page number 67 of your textbook, first paragraph, line number 3. Forest is the accumulation of trees, scrubs or heaps of grasses. Accumulation means collection. Forest is a collection of trees, scrubs or group of grasses. In forest, we can divide. Forests are of different variety or mainly two varieties, that is forest grown without the help of man and with the help of man, or natural forest or man-made forest. Natural forest or forest which can be raised naturally without the help of man is called virgin forest. Virgin forest, please underline what is virgin forest. Next line, vegetation which can be raised naturally without the help of man is called virgin forest. For example, in India we are having virgin forest at 3 places, that is one in the Himalayan ranges, another one in Sundarban area and the remote area of Thar desert. This is an different, these are the different virgin forests which we are having in our country. Here you will be able to see the picture of a virgin forest. How beautiful it is there. Nah? Classification of forest. There are 3 types of forest on the basis of administration, ownership and management. There are 3 types of forest, that is on the basis of administration, on the basis of ownership and on the basis of management. In 9th standard we have studied about the type of natural vegetation. We are having 5 natural vegetation: tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical desert forest, temperate forest or the grasslands and the mangrove or tidal forest. This we have studied in 9th standard. We are moving little, our grade thoda upar gaya. Now we are moving to the next classification, that is there are 3 types of classification, that is on the basis of administration, ownership and management. Now at the same time, when we are dividing forest on the basis of administration, types of forest on the basis of administration, we are having 3 type of forest, that is reserved forest, protected forest and unclassified forest. Reserved forest, what do you mean by reserved forest? Underline, forest under the control of government directly. Okay, here there is restriction on lumbering. Lumbering means cutting of trees, collection of wood or pasturing. Pasturing means grasslands using for grazing cattle. Next is, second one is protected forest. This forest, please underline, forests are looked after by administration. That is government authorities are taking care of this forest. Local people are permitted to collect the wood and to graze their animals without causing any harm to the trees. Locals can come and use the forest but should not create any problem. For reserved forest and preserved forest, we are having one example, that is Sariska Tiger Reserve at Alwar in Rajasthan. This is an example for reserved forest. Pehle a reserved forest category mein tha, but now it is converted into protected forest. Sariska Tiger Reserve. And the third one is unclassified forest. This type of forest are still not classified. अभी तक उसको डिवाइड नहीं किया है, कहिया है कि रिजर्व्ड या प्रोटेक्टेड है. There is no restriction on tree felling or animal grazing. People can go cut the trees, yeah, or they can use the grass areas for giving food to their cattle. This type of forest. Majority of unclassified forest we will be finding in the northeastern states of India. Okay. Classification of forest according to ownership, administration and management. We have divided it into three, that is state forest, second one is communal forest, and the third one is private forest. First one, state forest. This forest will be under the control of state government or central government. Most of the forest of our country fall under this category. हमारा कंट्री में मैक्सिमम फॉरेस्ट आर अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ स्टेट फॉरेस्ट या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का कंट्रोल में है. नेक्स्ट वन इज और सेकेंड वन इज कम्यूनल फॉरेस्ट. कम्यूनल फॉरेस्ट द लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट is having control, that is our grama panchayats या municipalities or corporations या district panchayat office, they are taking care of the communal forest. And the third one is private forest, and it is under the control of a individual, एक व्यक्ति का कंट्रोल में है. Such a forest you will be able to found in Odisha, Meghalaya, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, etc. Some of these forests are in haphazard condition. Haphazard means not organized conditions. इतना अच्छा condition में नहीं है. And many of them are totally barren. Barren means unprotective. Some places you will be able to see this type of private forest are allowing for or using for tourist purposes. That is, people can come and sit and enjoy the natural. वो बहुत कम लोग ऐसा ही करता है. They are making it for their earning. But many places they are not giving any benefits. Unprotective. They are not giving any. They are totally barren condition में है. Next very important topic is deforestation. Already we have studied in many classes, in the smaller classes, what is deforestation. Please underline page number 67, second last paragraph. Deforestation means the destruction of forest. Please underline. Deforestation is not only the problem of our country, but also the problem of the whole world. पूरा दुनिया का problem है deforestation. Who is creating deforestation? We human beings. हमारा भलाई के लिए, हमारा progress. If we want to develop, we have to destroy forest, and that is called a deforestation. हमारे लिए एक airport चाहिए तो बहुत जगह चाहिए. Majority of the airports हम after cutting the forest area we are developing airport, or many places for residential areas, for using the wood for firework and all, we are cutting down the forest. Trees are destroyed naturally. However, it is negligible compared to the loss inflicted by human interference. In this clip you will be able to see the pathetic situation of deforestation. Lots of trees have been cut, and this will create problem for our ecosystem. Impact of deforestation. What is the result of deforestation? This is very big problem which is beyond our control. The first and the main impact is the quantity of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere and greenhouse effects became more intense. Underline this two line. First and the main problem, एटमॉस्फेयर में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का अमाउंट और कंटेंट ज़्यादा होता है. इसके वजह से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को वापस ऑक्सीजन करने के प्रोसेस करने के लिए हमारा ट्रीज ग्रीन लीव्स नहीं है. तो रिजल्ट क्या है? ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट बिकम मोर स्ट्रोंगर. With the removed forest cover, the soil is eroded. Underline, soil is eroded. Soil erosion. Next problem is soil को होल्ड करके रखने के लिए रूट्स नहीं है, ट्रीज का रूट्स नहीं है. द रिजल्ट इज सॉइल इरोशन एंड द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ फार्म फर्टिलिटी इंक्रीजेस. लैंड फर्टिलिटी कम हो जाएगा. In the forest of peninsular India, the forest area has decreased largely due to deforestation. Underline the next point. Many living organisms have lost their abodes. Abodes means residential areas. Many animals, especially wild animals, they are losing their natural habitat, and the result they are coming to रेसिडेंशियल एरियाज़. हमारा आजू बाजू एरिया में आता है, हमारे सामने रहने के लिए आ जाएगा. रिजल्ट क्या है? आर यू एबल टू मूव आउट फ्रीली? As a result, wild animals approach urban settlements in search of food and water. More instances, more examples are recorded of carnivorous animals killing domestic animals of those shepherds who live near the forest. The result is only one thing. वाइल्ड एनिमल्स बाहर आ जाएगा. उसमें कार्निवोरस भी है, हर्बीवोरस भी है. हर्बीवोरस एनिमल्स है लाइक डियर और एलिफेंट. द रिजल्ट आपने लास्ट मंथ में देखा था केरला में. एक एलिफेंट, एक प्रेग्नेंट एलिफेंट बाहर आया खेत, वो एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड में खाना खाने के लिए आया और लोग उनको मार डाला. ओ द वे दे हैव यूज्ड. सेकेंड अनदर थिंग, दूसरा भी है, कार्निवोरस एनिमल है लाइक लायन, लेपर्ड वगैरह आ रहे हैं, तो उनको हमारा एग्रीकल्चरल फूड कुछ नहीं चाहिए. उनको केला नहीं चाहिए, उनको पाइनएप्पल नहीं चाहिए. व्हाट दे वांट, दे विल कम एंड अटैक द अदर एनिमल्स. और एनिमल्स नहीं मिल रहे तो दे विल अटैक ह्यूमन बींग्स. सो these are the problems which we are facing because of deforestation. Here you will be able to see the impact of deforestation. Soil में कार्बन प्रेजेंस ज़्यादा हो रहे, ऑक्सीजन एटमॉस्फेयर में इम्प्यूरिटीज़ ज़्यादा हो रहे, ट्रीज बहुत कम है. व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन? Now we are moving to page number 68. First heading, Remedies for Forest Conservation. How can we conserve the forest? What are the different ways we can conserve our forest? First point, research should be carried out to find the option of wood. This will reduce the usage of wood and it will save the forest. हमको फायर, वी नीड फायर फॉर मेनी थिंग्स. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अनदर ऑप्शन. फायर के लिए हमको लकड़ी जलाना पड़ता है, तो ये लकड़ी जलाने के लिए हमको कहाँ से लकड़ी मिलेगा? वी विल गेट इट फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट. फॉर वी विल बी कटिंग ट्रीज. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड अ सब्स्टिट्यूट विच विल बी एबल टू use instead of this wood. So for that, wherever the trees are to be cut inevitably for the development work or for necessity, new trees of the same species should be grown. हमको ट्री at many places, not firework, अदर दूसरा है हमारा रेलवे ट्रैक. हमने दूसरा एक नया ऑप्शन बनाया, रेलवे ट्रैक्स. हमारे लिए पुराना पुराना रेलवे ट्रैक्स देखो, वहाँ वुड से उसका बीच में कनेक्शन, दोनों रेल्स के बीच में लकड़ी वुड यूज़ किया है. बट नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, उसके जगह पे हम लोग अभी नाउ वी आर यूजिंग कॉन्क्रीट रोड्स. So this type of things we are supposed to use. Wherever trees could be cut inevitably for the development के लिए wood तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. कई जगह पे some places है, हमारे लिए एक नया मकान बनाना चाहिए. We want to construct a new house. There we want doors, windows. For that we are having no other options. If there is any other option, you opt for that. Otherwise, if you are cutting a plant, if you are cutting a tree, you should plant the same species at another place. That is the best option. There should be a total ban for cutting trees which are not grown fully. पूरा growth जब तक नहीं आया तब तक plants cut नहीं करना है. Second point is those industries which receive their raw materials from the forest should be compelled for afforestation for future needs. Under the name of ecotourism, the forest cover should not be damaged and should be strictly controlled. Ecotourism purpose के लिए forest cover we should not cut the forest. We are supposed to plant more trees. Planting more trees is called afforestation. And if anybody is creating any damaging any forest, there should be strict rules should be there to control the forest, cutting of forest. Here you will be able to watch trees are planted. खाली फोटोज़ के लिए प्लांटिंग करना है, उसके बाद पानी नहीं डाला तो काम खत्म. हाँ, वी हैव टू प्लांट ट्रीज एंड वी हैव टू गिव केयर फॉर द प्लांट्स. Next point is widespread public awareness programs should be organized among the local people. We have to create awareness programs, especially at the local level, where because local people are using wood and all. तो उनको अच्छी तरह अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स हमको कंडक्ट करना है. लाइक वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे जैसा ही हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो ये ट्रीज नहीं है तो क्या होने वाला है. We have to teach them using different programs. Another point is the most important of forest, and then conservation strategies should be included in the syllabus of schools and colleges. हमको this chapter is also part of this intention. जिसको ये फॉरेस्ट के बारे में जो those who are living in cities and all, they don't know what is the importance of trees and forest. So we have to give awareness not only to local people but also to the next generation, that is you people. Not only in schools but also in colleges also we should introduce this type of programs. They should explain the necessity of forest conservation. As you all are science students, you are studying science, you know why the forest should be conserved. Conservation का ज़रूरत क्या है? Because without forest we will not get oxygen, है ना. So we need more trees for making oxygen, converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. Next point is social forestry and agroforestry should be developed intensively by taking planned steps for the necessity of fodder and firewood. सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री, ग्रुप फॉरेस्ट्री, सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री जो बैरन डेजर्ट लैंड्स है, डेजर्ट नहीं बैरन, अनयूज्ड, जिसका काम का नहीं है, ऐसा ही हमने वेस्ट लैंड जैसा ही जो रखा है, वहाँ सब हमको अलग अलग ट्रीज़ प्लांट करना है. और वो जो ट्रीज़ प्लांट कर रहे हैं वो हमारे लिए यूज़फुल है तो भी अच्छा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाइल वी आर मूविंग थ्रू मंगल पांडे रोड, वो विश्वामित्री रिवर का किनारे पे नो मैंस लैंड है, वहाँ किसी का लैंड नहीं, दैट लैंड इज़ द लैंड ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. ऐसा बहुत सारा प्लेसेस है, हाईवे से जाओ तो दोनों साइड पे नो मैंस लैंड है, वहाँ कुछ खेतर कुछ नहीं है, नो कल्टिवेशन इज गोइंग ऑन. देयर गवर्नमेंट और अदर NGOs शुड टेक इनिशिएशन, दे शुड टेक स्टेप्स टू प्लांट ट्रीज. वो काटा वाला नहीं, अच्छा प्लांट्स हमको प्लांट करना है. जो मैंगोज होगा, वो वॉट एवर इट इज़, प्लांट्स विच रिक्वायर लेस केयर. जो प्लांट्स दो 5 साल के लिए या 2-3 साल के लिए उसको केयर चाहिए, उसके बाद केयर जिस नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा बहुत बड़ा बड़ा हमारा मैंगो ट्री है, ये चीकू का है, ये सब इतना केयर नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा प्लान्स हमको वहाँ प्लांट करना है. एंड प्लांटिंग इन ए ग्रुप, ज़्यादा एरिया में हम जो प्लान करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री. सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री एंड एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री शुड बी डेवलप्ड इंटेंसिवली बाय टेकिंग प्लान्ड स्टेप्स फॉर द नेसेसिटी ऑफ order and firework. So there which are we can use this type, many places we can use this type of social forestry and agroforestry. Next point is, in place of firewood, alternative options like solar energy, natural gas, etc. should be implemented. This we have already implemented in our country under the leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Firewood, बहुत सारा government is giving subsidies to use ladies for using cooking gas. Another one is सोलर एनर्जी. हमारा स्टेट पे बहुत सारा सोलर एनर्जी प्लांट्स है. हमारे स्कूल के नियर बाई प्लेस यू कैन सी द सोलर एनर्जी प्लांट. Even in our school also we can start using solar energy plants, because we can reduce the use of this firewood. At the same time, electricity also, we can save electricity by using solar energy or other natural gas. Here you will be able to see the picture of a social forestry or farm forestry, where see desert jaisa mountainous place where no cultivation was there, there people are planting different types of trees and plants. Now we are moving to the another point for remedies of forest conservation, that is, forest resources should be used sparingly. We should take care of this forest resources, because once it finished it will be very difficult to bring it back. In order to make the process of tree growth faster and healthier, infested trees should be removed. खराब वाला ट्रीज निकाल के अच्छा ट्रीज ग्रो करने के लिए हमको फास्ट एंड हेल्थियर ग्रोथ ऑफ न्यू ट्रीज वी शुड रिमूव द ओल्ड ट्रीज या डैमेज्ड ट्रीज. Forest fire causes heavy damage to forest. A separate system or a force at a national level should be created for dousing the fire. For example, last in the month of February, January, February time, we have seen that in Australia, a very huge forest fire has occurred. And as you know, what will happen? What is the result of forest fire? There's a heavy damage of forest in trees, animals, all type of resources of the forest will be damaged. And a separate system or a force at a national level should be created for dousing the fire. फायर प्रिवेंट करने के लिए, स्टॉप करने के लिए, कम करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट के पास एक सेपरेट ग्रुप होना चाहिए. For example, in Australia, government is having one type of NGOs. They are having one particular organization. Government का system भी है, कनाडा में भी है, गवर्नमेंट का अथॉरिटीज़ है, ऑफिसर्स है. एट द सेम टाइम one NGO group is there. They are helping the government to prevent the forest fire. ऐसा हमारा countries में भी होना चाहिए. Next point, due to the increased means of transportation and easy travel, thousands of pilgrims reach the religious places in forested areas to attend Bandara fairs or the parikrama or the circular traveler. At this time, if the litter should be cleared properly, otherwise the forests get polluted. You know, nowadays we are having many of our pilgrim centers are there in between the mountain ranges or forest ranges. A forest ranges में a pilgrim place में जाने के लिए, for example, the Bandara fair of Maharashtra, it is the turmeric festival of Maharashtra, or the parikrama or the circular travel of Jain community and that परिक्रमा फेस्टिवल. तो ये सब फॉरेस्ट एरिया में नॉर्मली ये सब सेलिब्रेशंस होता है. सेलिब्रेशन करने के लिए लोग बहुत सारा, हमारा डिवोटीज, बहुत सारा डिवोटीज, दे आर कमिंग टू दिस प्लेस. There should be a separate system should be there. There no कचरा कुछ नहीं डालने का है. Government should take proper rules and regulations to prevent this type of reduce the use of litter कचरा. If the litter should be cleared properly, वहाँ लेके लोग लेके नहीं जाना है, और जो गया है वो वहाँ से निकालने के लिए particular facilities government should provide. Otherwise the result will be the forest will be polluted. हम लोग चलने के टाइम पे हमारे पास पानी का बॉटल होता है, प्लास्टिक बॉटल, हमारा काम क्या है, पीने के बाद उधर फेंकता है. ऐसा नहीं करना है. फूड खाना हमारे हाथ में होता है, वो पर्टिकुलर प्लास्टिक का डिस्पोजेबल प्लेट्स हमारे हाथ में है, वो खाना खाने के बाद इधर उधर फेंक के हम लोग आते हैं. नेवर डू दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. Put these things in the particular place where it is waste baskets or whatever it is kept. Don't throw here and there, because these all are non-degradable waste materials. It will create pollution. It will increase the amount of pollution. Last point, an area should be demarcated and reserved for animal pasture. एक particular area ऐसा होना है कि animals को पास्चरिंग करने के लिए, खाना खाने के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया, वहाँ पब्लिक का एंट्रेंस और ऐसा घूमना फिरना वहाँ अलाउ नहीं करने का है. Here you will be able to see one of the solar power plants we all are familiar with, but see the picture. Important topic is wildlife diversity, which we have already studied in our 9th standard. One particular chapter, one whole chapter we have studied. Our country is having large diversity in climate and physiography in India. Physiography already we have studied. Our country is having a wide diversity of physiography. 5 types of physiographic features are there in our country. This you have studied. Climate bhi hamara different types of climate we are having. Due to this geological diversities, large variation is seen among the insects, birds, animals and vegetation. ये अलग अलग features के वजह से अलग अलग animals, अलग अलग birds, अलग अलग insects, vegetation, सब हमारा country में different varieties are there. Please underline the next line. There are about 15 lakh species of birds and animals in the world. पूरा दुनिया में 15 lakh species are there. Out of these, 81,251 species are found in India. Please underline. What are the which are the different how many varieties or how many species of animals are found in India? 81,251 species are found in India. And what is the position of India in terms of biodiversity? Please underline. India stands 12th in the world in terms of biodiversity. Animals from Asia, Europe, Africa are seen in India. Different types of animals we are having. African sarak, European wolf, wild goats, Kashmiri deer, elephants, gibbons from Southeast Asia, etc. are found in our country. Etc. are found in our country. The biodiversity of India includes black bear, one-horned rhino, deer, different types of snakes, peacock, bustard, hawk, kingfisher, flamingos, etc. are there. India is a place of wildlife diversity we are having in our country. Different types of animals, different types of birds, snakes, all are found in our country. Here is a picture of forest fire. The snow leopards in Himalayas and the red panda found at the same altitude are distinguished animals here. Here, currently, India is the only country in the world where tiger and lion are seen moving in their natural abodes. Please underline, this is the only country in the world where tigers and lions are moving together. Same natural habitat में tigers and lions are there. During winter season, migratory birds from distant places like from Russia and all, we are getting many migratory birds coming to our country into the watershed areas of Koiladev National Park, Bharatpur National Park, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, Nal Sarovar in Gujarat to spend their winter. Koladev National Park is in Rajasthan, Bharatpur National Bird Sanctuary is in Rajasthan, Nal Sarovar is in Gujarat. During winter season, they will be especially the November, December, January, February months. The birds from the Siberian cold places, they are coming and enjoying their vacation here in India. Sea turtles come to lay eggs along the sandy coast of Odisha. In particular season, Odisha coastal region mein sea turtles are coming and they are laying their eggs there. Once the eggs hatch out, they will be moving along with their babies to the sea. Indian python, various snakes, and the king cobra are found in the southern rainforest of India. The picture of a red panda. Here you will be able to see a clip of the biodiversity of our country. The white leopard, you can see the picture of the white leopard. The picture of a red panda. Finally, we reach the worksheet of today's worksheet. Here we are having two questions. One is fill in the blanks and another one is answer the following question. Fill in the blanks, you copy the questions, write the answers in the next clip. Now moving to the answer the following questions. Write a detailed note on the type of forest in India. For that, you should come to page number 67 of your textbook. Page number 67 of your textbook. Classification of forest. There are two types of classifications. First, you should write classification of forest, second line. Three types of forest on the basis of administration, ownership and management. फिर चार्ट ड्रॉ करके रिजर्व्ड फॉरेस्ट, प्रोटेक्टेड फॉरेस्ट एंड अनक्लासिफाइड फॉरेस्ट, उसके नीचे उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन होना चाहिए. फिर द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू थ्री टाइप्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओनरशिप, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट. फर्स्ट वन इज स्टेट फॉरेस्ट, उसका डेफिनेशन. सेकेंड पॉइंट कम्युनल फॉरेस्ट, उसका डेफिनेशन. थर्ड पॉइंट प्राइवेट फॉरेस्ट, उसका डेफिनेशन. क्लियर फॉर यू? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. State the remedies for forest conservation. For writing this answer, please come to page number 68 of your textbook. First heading, remedies for forest conservation. Here we are having 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points are there. Write minimum 5 or 6 points which is easy for you. Okay? Clear for you? And the next sheet you will be getting the answers for the fill in the blanks which I have given. Hope you understood this session. If there is any doubt, you can message it to me. We will solve in the next session. Hope you all are clear with today's explanation. Read the section clearly and write the answers today itself into your notebook. Till then, we will see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe.